Health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, also known as curcumilonga, is a very common herb. Often referred to as the queen of spices, its main characteristics are a pepper-like aroma, sharp taste and golden color. People across the globe use this herb in their cooking. Here are the top 5 health benefits of turmeric. Number 1. Prevents cancer. Turmeric can help prevent prostate cancer, stop the growth of existing prostate cancer and even destroy cancer cells. Multiple researchers have found that the active components in turmeric makes it one of the best protectors against radiation-induced tumors. Number 2. Relieves arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties in turmeric are great for treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In addition, turmeric's antioxidant property destroys free radicals in the body that damage body cells. Number 3. Controls diabetes. Turmeric can be used in the treatment of diabetes by helping to moderate insulin levels. It also improves glucose control and increases the effect of medications used to treat diabetes. Number 4. Reduces cholesterol level. Research has proven that simply using turmeric as a food seasoning can reduce serum cholesterol levels. It is a known fact that high cholesterol can lead to other serious health problems. Number 5. Heals wound. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent and can be used as an effective disinfectant. If you have a cut or burn, you can sprinkle turmeric powder on the affected area to speed up the healing process. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.